10 things schools never taught us about money, but should have. Imagine spending 12 to 20 years in school and never learning how to manage your money, how taxes work, how to invest, or how to build wealth. Most of us were taught algebra, trigonometry, and how to dissect a frog, but not how to budget or build a financially free life. This video isn't just a rant. It's a wake-up call. Today, we're going to talk about 10 vital money lessons that school never taught us, but should have. These are the lessons that make the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and building a life of freedom. Whether you're in high school, college, working a 9-to-5, or running your own business, this video is for you. So, grab a notebook, because by the end, you'll be financially smarter than most people who graduate with degrees. Let's begin. 1. Money is a tool, not the goal. Many people treat money like it's the final destination, the thing we're all supposed to chase. But here's the truth that school never taught us. Money is just a tool. It's not the end goal. It's the means to an end. Money buys time, freedom, security, and options. The wealthy use money to design lives they don't need vacations from. They use it to invest in businesses, give back, and create legacies. If your only goal is to make money, you'll chase it forever. But if you learn how to use it as a tool to support your bigger vision, freedom, impact, peace, you'll never be its slave. The real education should have been, what is money? How do we make it work for us? How do we use it to build our dreams, not just survive? 2. Your time is worth more than money. We were taught to trade time for money. Work 40 hours, earn a paycheck. But no one taught us how to stop trading time for money. Time is the one thing you can never get back. You can earn more money, but you can't earn back lost time. The wealthy know this. They build systems that make money even while they sleep. We should have learned early that the goal is to escape the time for money trap. Instead of working harder, learn to work smarter. Build assets. Create passive income. Learn how to delegate. Learn how to automate. Your time is priceless. Don't spend it cheaply. 3. The difference between good debt and bad debt. We were told, debt is bad. Avoid it. That's not the full story. There are 2 types of debt. Good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is consumer debt, credit cards, car loans, payday loans. Good debt is leverage. Mortgages on income-producing properties, business loans that grow your income, education that pays for itself. Bad debt makes you poorer. Good debt can make you richer. The wealthy use debt strategically. They use other people's money to grow their wealth. This isn't taught in school, but it should be. 4. Compound interest. Your best friend or worst enemy. Compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in the universe, according to Einstein. But schools barely mention it. When you invest early, your money earns interest. Then that interest earns more interest. Over time, your money grows exponentially. Example, $10,000 invested at 10% annually becomes $67,000 in 20 years, without you doing anything. But it works against you too. Credit cards use compound interest to trap people in debt. That $5,000 balance could cost you $20,000 over time if you only pay minimum payments. Compound interest isn't just math. It's freedom or slavery. School should have shown us both sides. 5. Saving alone won't make you rich. Investing will. Save your money, they said. But they never told us what to do after saving it. Saving money is step 1. But keeping it in a bank account earning 0.01% interest while inflation eats away at its value, that's a losing game. We should have learned how to invest. In stocks, in real estate, in businesses, even in ourselves. Investing creates wealth. Saving just preserves what little you have. School should have taught both. 6. Financial literacy degrees. You can have a PhD and still be broke. Degrees don't equal wealth. Financial literacy does. How to budget, how to file taxes, how to read a credit report, how to negotiate salary. These are real-world skills. Yet most graduates know none of them. Financial literacy should be a required course in every grade. Not optional, not elective, mandatory, because the diploma doesn't guarantee a paycheck. But financial knowledge gives you power. 7. Your beliefs about money shape your life. What did your parents say about money growing up? Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are greedy. We can't afford that. These beliefs become part of your financial identity. They limit what you think is possible. Schools should have helped us unlearn toxic money mindsets and build empowering ones instead. You don't just need a budget. You need to believe you're worthy of wealth. 8. Taxes, the hidden lifetime expense. You'll pay more in taxes over your lifetime than on food, housing, or education combined. Yet, school teaches you almost nothing about how taxes work. The wealthy use the tax code legally to reduce their taxes. They start businesses, invest in real estate, create trusts. If you don't understand taxes, you're giving away thousands, maybe millions over a lifetime. Tax education isn't optional. It's essential. 9. No one will save you. Take control. No school, no government, no company, no bank, no boss. No one is coming to save you financially. You have to learn. You have to act. You have to take control. Read books. Watch videos. Ask questions. Try, fail, learn. Rely on yourself, not a system that wasn't designed to make you wealthy. Self-education is the new superpower. 10. Wealth equals freedom, not flash. Schools never taught us what wealth really is. We think it's luxury cars, designer clothes, big houses. But real wealth is peace of mind. Options. Freedom. Wealth means waking up and choosing how to spend your time. It means not worrying about bills. It means being able to say no. Don't chase status. Chase freedom. We just covered 10 things that schools never taught us about money, but should have. These lessons can change your life, but only if you apply them. Start by picking one. Learn about compound interest. Read a book on investing. Track your spending. Change your money beliefs. One small step today leads to a massive change tomorrow. Financial education is your responsibility now. But the good news? You're not alone. Subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Let's build a generation that's financially free. Because the classroom failed us. But it's not too late to learn.